What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technology. Currently, we are inside Achimota Golf Park, and here we installed CCTV cameras for them. We fabricated two gates, a smaller gate and then the bigger gate. This is a smaller gate. See how it moves? Very smooth. This is for the golfers. This is where they pass. Once they move from here, they go to the caddy master's place, where he will just assess them, check their particulars, and allow them, give them access to the course. We also fixed our bigger gate. This is a 16-feet gate. And then the good thing is that we automated the gate. We added a motor to it. So he's able to use a remote, or he has a switch inside where once he press on it, it's able to open or close. This it's more or less like an access control for the golfers. They are able to control how they move in and out. And when there's a competition, they are able to actually use these gates to control entrance there. If you have any project for us, whether in Accra, Kumasi, or any part of Ghana, make sure you give us a call. And like I say, we have deal for every budget and every timeline. So hey, call us now.